Welcome to Auction version 4, the latest event management software tool from Auction Systems. In this tutorial, in the Items Data Entry series, I will show you the first optional items panel, the panel for revenue and costs. The optional panels can be opened by scrolling to the bottom of the item entry form until you see the panels that are enabled. By default, Donor, Value and Pricing, and Item Number category are open. To enable a hidden panel, click the button for that panel, and then it will be available in the item entry form above. Let's talk about applying revenue. Many organizations do not use the Apply Revenue feature. All revenue from item sales and ticket purchases by default is applied to the general fund, but perhaps the revenue from certain items should be applied to a specific area of your organization. For example, revenue from the Fund a Need or paddle raise could be designated for a certain account in your organization, such as the Capital Campaign or the Scholarship Fund. You can add different accounts for the revenue to be applied to by clicking the plus sign, and you can also add specific sub-accounts by clicking the sub-account plus sign. Cost is the other side of this panel. For most charitable organizations, the majority of the items up for auction do not have any cost incurred by the organization. The items are donated to the organization by the donors. For items donated free and clear, the cost status will be none. Sometimes your organization may need to purchase something to enhance a donation you received from a donor. This is often the case for baskets. You may have received several items from different donors that may receive a higher bid if they were combined together. Your organization may need to purchase an additional item to add to this collection, or maybe purchase a nice container or basket to put these items in. If your organization purchases an item, click the Purchased button and enter the cost your organization incurred for this specific item you purchased. When an item is marked as purchased, you will be able to designate the account and even the sub-account that the expense will be charged against. Perhaps an item will be given to your organization on consignment. This means that if the item is sold, you must pay the consignor a consignment fee. Your organization will get to keep the portion of the winning bid in excess of the consignment fee. Enter the consignment fee in the cost field, and if necessary, specify the account to apply the consignment cost to. By the way, if there is a set consignment fee for an item, it would be a good idea to manually set the minimum bid for this item at or slightly above the consignment fee. If the consignment fee is a percentage of the winning bid, you can edit the consignment cost after the event when you know the final winning bid and can calculate the fee in dollars. The next tutorial in the Item Data Entry series will be for the optional panel for Event Item Presentation. Thank you for joining us.